I'm the realtor Eric Corder. Join me here Sunday from 2 to 4 at 21 Cherry Hills Drive in Belpre. Let's go. Step right inside to this amazingly sized living room. Beautiful and elegant. And speaking of elegant, look at this dining room. Beautiful judges panels, beautiful light fixture, plenty of space for entertaining. Let's check out the kitchen. Perfect for entertaining or family. The kitchen has refreshed cabinets, beautiful countertops, newer appliances. Look at that backsplash. Just off that amazing eat-in kitchen is this beautiful family room with an amazing fireplace. What a great place to hang out. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms, including this oversized primary bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. And look at this bathroom. Double vanities, plenty of space, and a beautifully tiled shower. The other half of the second floor are 3 additional bedrooms and a beautiful full-size bathroom. I'll be right here Sunday from 2 to 4. I'll see you then.